In this video, I will show you how to apply for Sam's Club Business Credit Card or Sam's Club Business Mastercard. So for that, simply open up Chrome. In the search bar, search for Sam's Club. Then click on the URL. From here, click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top left corner. Here you will find Sam's Club Credit. Click on it. Scroll down below. Here you will find the personal credit card options. Scroll down below some more. Here you will find Own a Business. Apply for Sam's Club Business Credit Card. Here click on Apply Now. From here, put in your membership number, your first name, your last name. Then click on Next. From here, put in your membership number, your first name, your last name. Then click on Next. From there, it will ask you about your banking details, your revenue, and then your social security number or the business registration number. Simply put those in. After that, click on Submit. This club will take a while to verify your account, and then after that your Sam's Club Business Credit Card or Sam's Club Business Mastercard would be applied. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.